H-jack repair 101. If your hydraulic jack is not working and this lever is not engaging for some reason, it's probably a pin. If you look down here, see this moving joint here, that moves a pin. And if you get a lot of dust like my site gets, and people don't do any maintenance or preventative maintenance, then you'll end up, if you see that nice shiny little piece right there, that's your pin that engages that cylinder, alright? Or releases it. So when it's like this, it's engaged. And when it's pushed in, it's disengaged. Meaning it should come down. When it's unengaged, you should be able to jack it up. If that pin is sticking, you're not going to get any raise. It's going to stay wherever it's at. Your pin might work because as it's disengaged, it's all the way in. So this lever will work because if that pin's all the way in, you'll have the space to move it back and forth, no problem. Thinking that you're doing something when it's not. Because if it doesn't come out, you won't be able to do jack. Alright, so just put some oil on it, work it in, work it out. Make sure that pin is nice and lubed, and you get something, a tool of some sort, to stick in between, and you work it until it works itself out. You don't want to try to keep engaging it because it's going to keep sticking. So you just ease it by slowly pressing on it a little bit at a time. And you do this kind of motion like that. And then a little more, and a little more, until you got a full pop out. Alright? Lesson over.